If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture where we are solving Tripura University questions for straight line or coordinate geometry. So today we will be solving question number 13, 14, 15 and 16. 4 questions. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. Okay. In question number 13, find the equation of the straight line which makes an equal intercept on the axis. Just equal intercept. They have not mentioned you any value. So let me take any value. So let me take this intercept is A and this length is also A. So this straight line, this is the straight line. So we need to find the equation of the straight line. So we'll write let x intercept is A and y intercept is also A, because both are equal. So intercept, please correct the spellings. So A. So therefore the equation of straight line is had they given it 5 5 or 4 4 whatever value, then we could have written it in that format. Otherwise we have to write in our own. So the equation of the straight line will be, what will be the straight line, what is the format? If the intercepts are given, then it is x by a, x by x intercept, y by y intercept equal to, because both are a, 1. So if you take a LCM, so x plus y equal to a. So that is your answer. So if you come to question number 14, show that the 4 points, these are the vertex of the square. So if you have a vertex of a square and you suppose this is a square, so you start one by one and you write it in a either in this direction or in this direction, then it will be a square. You don't get this not arbitrary to put these vertices. You put these vertices either clockwise or I always prefer to write it in anti-clockwise direction. You can write it in whatever direction. Suppose these are A, B, C, D. So these vertices are given respectively. Okay. So in order to prove square, what you need to prove? You need to prove that all the lengths are equal. If all lengths are equal, then it can be square also, it can be rhombus also. Then you have to also show them that the diagonals are also equal, D1, D2. Suppose this is D1, this is D2. So these diagonals should also be same. If both the diagonals and all sides are equal, then it obviously it is a square. So let me find the distance. Suppose I need to find AB. So what is the distance formula? x2 minus x1 whole square. So 6 minus 4 whole square plus 4 minus 3 whole square. So if you do it, it will be root 5. 4 plus 1 root 5. Similarly, if you do BC, what will be BC? It is again x2 minus x1. So 4 minus 5 minus 4 whole square. And then I think it is 6 minus 4 whole square. It is 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6, 6 minus, so it is root 5. Again AB, BC, if you do CD, so I am not writing all this, so all you will find root 5, root 5, root 5. CD and AD. All these things you can find root 5. Okay, let me complete it. So it will be 3 minus 5 whole square, it will be 5 minus 6 whole square. And then it is 4 minus 3 whole square. You can write 3 minus 4 or 4 minus 3, whatever. And it is 3 minus 5 whole square. Okay, if you do, then all sides are equal, so all sides are equal. So you have to now check the diagonals. What are the diagonals? It is diagonal is AC and another diagonal is BD. So what is AC? From here to here it is 5 minus 4 whole square and it is 6 minus 3 whole square. So what it will be? 9 plus 1, 10, root 10. And here, if it is 6 minus 3 minus 6 or 6 minus 3 whole square, so I am doing this minus this, so again this minus this, 4 minus 5. So you don't change the order. If you are taking x this minus this, then y also you take this minus this. Here it will not make any effect, but it will change your habit. So in other formulas it will make problem, but in this problem it will make problem. It will don't make any problem, but you make the habit of this one. Suppose if you are taking this one x1, then you take this one y1 also, x1 y1, x2 y2. Don't take this minus this, then again this minus this. So make your habit clear here. It is make it a good habit, so that in other cases you don't face any problem. So all sides and diagonals are equal. And diagonals are equal, therefore it is a square. Diagonals are equal, therefore it is a square. It's a square. Proved. So in question number 15, reduce in the Cartesian equation into polar form. You have to reduce this one. So how will reduce this one? You know x square plus y square is equal to under root this is equal to y, or x square plus y square equal to r square. So you can directly put it as r square, and in place of x you know it is r cos theta. You see the relations between rectangular and polar coordinate that I have mentioned in lecture 1. So you see that one in basic level, you will find this one. So your original equation is this one, x square y square then whole square is equal to a square x square minus y square. So if you put it, this is r square whole square and this is a square, and x square it will be r square cos square theta minus r square sin square theta. So if you take r square common and if you divide both sides, this r to the power 4 will become r square, and it is a square cos square theta minus sin square theta. So cos square theta minus sin square theta, you know the formula from trigonometry, it is cos 2 theta. So this is the polar form equation. Everything should be in r theta. You have to eliminate x and y and you have to bring r theta. Then the equation becomes in polar equation. So it becomes in polar form. So in question number 16, find the slope of the straight line. So how to find the slope of the straight line? For that I told you, you keep it as y equal to mx plus c. You make it in this format and this m will represent the slope. So if you make it this way, it will be 4y is equal to minus 3x plus 5, or y is equal to minus 3 by 4x plus 5 by 4. So the slope is m is equal to minus 3 by 4. So this is your answer. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.